Imagine having the power to automate your earnings through a revolutionary AI tool. Yes, you heard it right. This incredible AI technology could potentially change the way you think about making money online. Stay tuned, because in a moment, I'll be revealing the AI tool that could deliver money right to your door. Step 1. Selecting a niche. Creating a successful YouTube channel starts with choosing a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and audience appeal. A niche is a specific topic or subject area that your channel will focus on. It's crucial to select a niche that you're passionate about and one that has a substantial audience base. Here are some popular and potentially lucrative niches you could start with. First is the health niche. This niche encompasses various topics like fitness, nutrition, mental health, and wellness. Content in this niche can range from workout routines to healthy cooking recipes, providing valuable insights and tips for better living. Another one that piques the YouTube population's attention is the finance niche. This niche attracts audiences seeking financial advice, money-making tips, and guidance for building wealth. Happiness is key, even in YouTube niches. Focusing on happiness involves content centered around self-improvement, motivation, mindfulness, and positivity. This niche aims to inspire and uplift audiences, offering guidance on leading a fulfilling and happy life. Like everyone dreams to do, traveling is a popular topic on YouTube. The travel niche is vast, covering travel guides, destination reviews, travel tips, adventure experiences, and cultural exploration. It's a visually engaging niche that captivates audiences interested in exploring different places worldwide. Lastly, with technology more progressive than ever, this niche is one that must be included in all top niche lists. Technology-related content includes reviews, tutorials, gadget insights, and discussions about the latest tech innovations. This niche appeals to tech enthusiasts looking for updates, guidance, and in-depth information on tech products. Choosing the right niche is a very delicate matter. It's not only about picking a popular topic, but also about your passion and expertise. Your genuine interest and knowledge will reflect in your content, attracting and engaging your audience effectively. Step 2. Research and idea generation. Start by looking up the top channels within your chosen niche. Analyze their most popular videos, the ones that have gained significant traction and views. Sorting their videos by popularity gives you insights into the type of content that captivates the audience's interest and performs well. This examination helps you understand what works and what topics or styles are trending within your niche. Utilize tools like vidIQ or similar extensions designed for YouTube to identify trending videos within your niche. These tools provide valuable data on the topics that are currently gaining traction and high viewership. It's essential to explore videos that have been trending for a while, indicating sustained interest in specific subjects. This insight aids in generating ideas that align with the current preferences of your target audience. Consider employing a strategic approach by using negative or controversial topics within your niche. While this tactic should be used ethically and responsibly, it can serve as an attention-grabbing element for your content. Topics that challenge common perceptions or discuss controversial aspects tend to attract viewers' attention and might have the potential to go viral. However, ensure that your content maintains a balanced and informative approach without being misleading or sensationalist. Step 3. Mystery AI Reveal. Are you ready to uncover the incredible AI tool that can revolutionize your content creation process? Well, then meet the innovative InVideo AI. First things first, sign up for InVideo AI, an innovative tool that brings the magic of artificial intelligence to video production. Accessing this platform opens the door to seamless video creation with the power of AI-driven technology. Select the YouTube Explainer video workflow within the InVideo AI tool. This specific workflow is tailored for YouTube content creators, simplifying the process of generating video content for your channel. Utilize AI prompts provided by InVideo to generate a video script based on the chosen topic. The AI utilizes your input to craft a script that aligns with your video's theme or subject matter. You can input specific details, keywords, or themes related to your chosen niche or topic. InVideo AI offers a range of customization options to tailor your video. Choose preferences such as the voice tone, background music style, inclusion of subtitles, and utilization of iStock media. These options allow you to personalize the video to match your content style and audience preferences. Once you've set your preferences and provided the necessary inputs, let the AI work its magic. Sit back and allow InVideo AI to generate the video content based on the parameters and instructions you've provided. The AI-driven process streamlines video creation, minimizing the time and effort required for content production. Step 4. YouTube channel creation. Head to YouTube, sign into your account, and navigate to the channel creation section. Establish a dedicated channel focused on your chosen niche. Follow the prompts to set up your new YouTube channel. Craft a visually appealing channel by designing a compelling profile picture and channel art. Utilize user-friendly graphic design tools like Snappa to create high-quality and eye-catching visuals. Design an engaging profile picture that represents your channel's theme or identity. An aesthetically pleasing channel layout helps in attracting viewers and conveying professionalism, setting the stage for an engaging and inviting YouTube presence. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Step 5. Uploading and optimization. Craft an attention-grabbing thumbnail for your video using user-friendly graphic design tools like Snappa. A compelling thumbnail is crucial, as it's the first visual element viewers notice. Design a thumbnail that is visually striking, includes relevant imagery, and entices viewers to click and watch your video. Craft a concise, descriptive, and engaging title that accurately represents your video's content. Include relevant keywords related to your niche to increase search visibility. When it comes to descriptions, write a detailed description that elaborates on the video's content. Incorporate keywords naturally and provide additional context, links, and relevant information. Include relevant tags or keywords that relate to your video's topic. These tags help YouTube understand your content and improve searchability. Once your video is ready, proceed to upload it to your YouTube channel. By optimizing your video's title, description, tags, and creating an appealing thumbnail, you enhance its chances of reaching a broader audience and attracting more viewers. Step 6. Content generation. Strive to build a substantial backlog of content by aiming to upload between 30 to 60 videos initially. Having a reservoir of videos enhances your channel's credibility and increases its chances of success. This backlog establishes a foundation for consistent content delivery and allows viewers to explore more of your content. Such content continues to attract viewers long after its initial upload, driving sustained viewership and engagement. Understand that achieving success on YouTube often demands persistence, patience, and continuous effort. It might take time for your channel to gain substantial traction and viewership. Consistency in uploading quality content and persistence in building your channel are key to long-term growth. Bonus monetization. Explore affiliate marketing platforms such as Digistore24 or ClickBank to discover products or services aligned with your niche. These platforms offer various affiliate products that you can promote within your video descriptions. This strategy allows you to leverage your channel's content to generate additional income through affiliate commissions. Consider joining affiliate programs offered by relevant tools or services within your niche. For instance, InVideo AI provides an affiliate program that enables you to promote their AI video creation tool. By becoming an affiliate partner, you can recommend these tools in your videos or descriptions and earn commissions for every user who signs up for or purchases the product through your referral link. The Pivot Online Reminder. Embrace a mindset of perpetual improvement by constantly refining your video content. Regularly analyze audience insights, monitor performance metrics, and adapt your content strategy accordingly. Experiment with diverse video formats, styles, and topics to gauge audience preferences. Implementing SEO best practices, refining thumbnails, and testing different titles can enhance your video's visibility and engagement. Prioritize delivering value to your audience by creating informative, entertaining, or educational content that resonates with their interests. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.